Hey everyone, and welcome to the Desire channel. Today, I want to show you an amazing tutorial that will be super useful, especially for those who aren't great at design and struggle to create professional thumbnails. In this video, I'll teach you how to design professional thumbnails using AI. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, as always, we open Google and search for Google Studio AI. The first result you see, click on it. This is the Gemini chatbot page, where you can ask any question, and it can help you with anything. You can see the Gemini Pro, Flash, and Flashlight versions here. For this tutorial, we want to use the Generate Media option, so we'll click on that. This page will open up. It has some great features, and we'll click on Image. Once we're on this page, you can type the same prompt I'm typing here. A viral YouTube thumbnail for a video titled. Then, in double quotes, you'll write your video's topic. I'm going to write, before and after my diet. Next, on the right side, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for YouTube, and click Run. We'll wait for the image to be created. As you can see at the bottom, it shows how many seconds it will take. The image is ready, and it's absolutely amazing. You can download it from here. It created a beautiful image that perfectly conveys what we wanted, just by writing a simple prompt. Now, I'll change the topic and write, I lived on a deserted island for 24 hours. I'll click Run again and wait for the image to be generated. As you can see, it created a beautiful image, exactly what I was looking for. Instead of wasting hours trying to design an image, you can create the image you want with just one click. As you can see, the image is very clear and high quality. I want to change the topic one more time. This time I'll write, AI can't do this. I'll click Run again. I want to try a few different topics to show you what beautiful designs it can create. You might spend a lot of time just coming up with ideas for different thumbnails. It created a very beautiful image. As you can see, this image truly represents the topic I wanted. This tool uses the Imagen 4 preview engine to create these images. Now, let's use another feature of Google AI Studio, Stream. We'll click on Stream, and this page will pop up. I don't want to select any personas, I just want to try a simple, story-building feature. In future videos, I'll teach you how to create a full stream video. Here, we'll just see how it creates a story. In this box, you can write your prompt or what you want. I'm going to write a short story about the fox and the hunter. I'll leave it set to generate both audio and text. You can choose the voice here, the language, and the resolution if you want an image. I won't change the other options. We'll click Run and wait for the story with its narration to be created.
In a dense forest, a sly fox named Finley was known for his cunning. One day, a hunter entered the woods, his rifle loaded. Finley, with his keen senses, spotted the hunter. Thinking quickly, Finley decided to play a trick. He limped onto the path, pretending to be injured. The hunter, seeing an easy target, lowered his rifle. As the hunter approached, Finley darted into the thicket, leaving the hunter bewildered. What do you think the hunter did next?
As you can see, it did this beautifully. You can also download the audio here. Now, I'll ask it to continue the story. I'll click Run again to generate the narration and the rest of the story.
The hunter, now annoyed by the fox's trickery, decided to change his strategy. Instead of chasing Finley, he set up a trap baited with a plump chicken, hoping the fox wouldn't resist such an easy meal. Finley, watching from a distance, saw the hunter's setup. He knew something was amiss. He approached the trap cautiously, sniffing the air. Spotting the hidden snare, he chuckled to himself. Then he stealthily triggered the trap from a safe distance, snatching the chicken once the trap was sprung. What should the fox do with the chicken now?
So, my friends, with this tool, you can create both thumbnails and narrations for your YouTube videos. You can easily create beautiful stories. If this video helped you and you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and goodbye.